Hi and welcome back. I'm Michael Newrock, and today we're going to go over power swings. Now, yesterday we covered power trends. If you haven't seen that video, make sure that you do. Today we're going to go over what do you do if you've missed the trend? Well, good news is that you can get into a swing, a power swing. This is not like swing trading where you're picking the bottom or picking the top and you're bouncing around between a channel or something like that. This is about catching movements that are in line with your trend, not at the inception of the trend, but anywhere along that trend. Let's show you what I mean. Uh, we'll just start with gold. I'm just going to go over the exact same charts that I went through on yesterday's video. So you can see here on this big downward move where we had that nice trend before. It's not displaying now because I've got trend trading switched off, but I do have some nice swing trades here. Now, obviously you can see this one here that didn't go so well, but here's the thing, and I get people all the time saying, well, trading is too risky. Well, it just depends whereabouts you're going to get into the trade. I mean, if I look back just a little bit and scroll down to here, if you got into, buying into the currency, or in this case gold, at this stage, then great. But getting in here at the top of the chart is a pretty damn risky kind of thing to do. So swing trading allows you to be able to get in on an existing trend. I'll show you another example. This is probably a better one. This is the euro pound. Now, there was a trend trade in place that I showed you yesterday, but if you missed that, here's all the swing opportunities. Now, of course, you'd be ignoring the sell trades because it's overall upward. 4-hour trend and swing is up, the daily trend and swing is up, and in the weekly, we've got a weekly swing that's up. The only one that's down out of all of these 6 indicators is the weekly trend. So right here, you can see that you can get in. If you had missed that trend trade, you can get in at these swing opportunities. Okay, so if I just bring my crosshair here, you can see. Okay, now the arrow actually points to the opening of the next bar after the signal bar. So you can see right here, and you can see how this MACD changed from red to green. Okay, and the RSI is above the 50. That's what you're looking for. Here again, just before the arrow is displayed, again we've had red histograms. Okay, indicating a bit of a correction or a counter move, and then we get the swing up. Okay, here, which you can line up to down here. Again, we get a correction or a consolidation, drifting downward, and then a swing up. Okay, here again, with a swing up indicated here, 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 here. Okay, so I hope you get the idea. It's a very, very valuable technique of being able to get into the trend when you've missed the start of the trend, okay? Or maybe you've got in at the trend and you want to add to your position. We'll talk about that in another lesson. But you can add to your position if you choose to, okay? Or you may be able to take profits on the trend trade, or maybe there was a correction on that trend trade, and then you can get back into the trade with a swing trade, okay, a swing within a trend, or a power swing as we call them. Here on the pound Swiss, we can see again the overall direction is down. So what are we looking for? Down trades, okay. We don't want to get into a bull trap, okay, as opposed to a bear trap, which is selling the market. A bull trap is when the market's rallying, okay, or when they believe it's rallying. Here particularly was a bull trap, okay. As soon as it went up, it crashed and went the other way. Here again, we can see another bull trap. I mean, you may have been able to definitely lock in a few pips, but overall, we want to focus on downward sales. Now, this changes all the time, and that's what we talk about when we talk about multi-dimensional trends. A trend within a trend, within a trend, within a trend. And swings occur in the same way, okay? So we could have gotten here, 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 and, it's still going. Aussie, same deal here. I'm not displaying the trend trades. That's deactivated. But again, we're getting in on those swing opportunities. We saw a correction here, and then bang, another swing downward. Again, we wouldn't be wanting to buy into a downward market, and we wouldn't want to be buying at the top of the market. Okay, that is how traders get burnt.